Is it possible to change the font color of individual desktop icons instead of all of them at once?
Hello and welcome. In today's tutorial, we are going to discuss an interesting topic. Is it possible to change the font color of individual desktop icons instead of all of them at once? Let's delve into this, breaking down the steps you would need to follow if you could do it.
Can you change font color of individual icons?
Here's the thing. As of my knowledge cutoff in September 2021, Windows does not provide an inbuilt way to change the font color of individual desktop icons. This is because the color of the icon text is linked to the system settings, which control the colors for all texts and elements. This includes the desktop icon labels. Highlight: there is no direct, inbuilt way to change the font color of individual desktop icons in Windows.
What are the alternatives?
However, there are a couple of indirect ways to achieve something similar. 1. Use a third-party software. You can use third-party software to change the font color of individual desktop icons. Some popular third-party software applications that provide this feature are Microangelo Toolset and Iconoid. 2. Use custom icon design. You can also design your icons in a way that they include the name within the icon itself in the color you want. For this, you'll need software like Adobe Photoshop or GIMP. But this approach does require some design skill. Highlight: third-party software or custom icon design can be used to modify individual icon colors. That wraps up our discussion on changing the font color of individual desktop icons. While there may not be a straightforward way to achieve this in the system settings, creativity and third-party solutions can get you there. Remember, always make sure the software you choose is safe and reliable to avoid potential security issues. I hope you found this guide helpful. Stay tuned for more tech tips and tricks.